Hey, welcome to Marinemax Seabrook. I'm Chill Pillsbury, and today I'd like to welcome you aboard the 2018 Scout 355. Now, this is a boat that we have just gotten in, and it's full of features, full of great seating, full of everything. As we go through the boat, I think you're going to see that feature for feature, the Scout really does offer more. Back here, you've got a beautiful fish box. Self-bailing, it's lighted, that's your washdown hose right there. The boat also has fresh and raw water washdown. This seat tucks away so that you have a more complete cockpit for fishing. You have a nice rear-facing seat here where this would normally just be lost space. Scout's really big on utilizing all the space. And if you notice the stitching, the quality on the fabric on Scout, the way a fabric feels is called the hand, and this has got the softest hand of any marine fabric I've ever felt. Extremely durable, extremely comfortable, feels almost like leather. I mean, it's as close as you can get. As we move up here to the helm, you'll notice that we have triple Garmin displays. This boat also has a forward-looking camera. All your switches are integrated into the display here. So if we want to turn things off and on, we can do it right here. And then you've got a main breaker switch panel up here. Tilt steering, it's also Edson steering, which means it's got the one hand hold so that as you're running the throttles, you can steer with one hand. This boat does have joystick, which really allows the best low speed maneuvering available. And it also has a bow thruster. So this boat, you're going to really be able to maneuver in any docking situation that you encounter. Beautiful JL audio in the boat. Recessed lighting all the way through the boat. Even Helm air on this boat. So if you're out there, maybe it's a still day, not a lot of wind moving, you can turn on that Helm air. Really makes a big difference. But then as we step away from the helm, let's move up front where you can really see part of the true beauty of the 355. This table electronically drops down. You take all these cushions off and you have a huge casting platform up front. Bring the table up, take the cushion off. You have a beautiful seating area out here. If you're cruising in the evening, maybe a wine and cheese get together, something like that. But lots and lots of versatility. Storage, again, is abundant on the Scouts. And notice the fit and finish. Even underneath all these hatchways and everything, they're all finished out beautifully. Rubber gasketed, double stainless hydraulic rams. And again, the quality on their upholstery, second to none. Beautiful area up here to lay out. And this area really doesn't take away from anything because it would just be a flat area anyway, so Scout really has utilized it the best way. And then on the 35, if you look at the cabin space on this boat, I don't know any other 35 center console out there that has this much cabin space and that many amenities. The Scout 355 is a perfect Gulf Coast boat. High degree dead rise on the front, nice Carolina flare. She's going to be a really dry boat. Scouts are also quick boats. This one with the triple engines on it is a 60-mile-an-hour plus boat. So getting you out to the fishing grounds and back is no problem at all. There's just nothing they haven't thought about on the 355. I really would like for you to come down and see this boat in person if you're thinking about something in this size category. I think you're going to be really pleasantly surprised that you did. It's really the only way to get the feel for the Scout 355. Again, this is Chill Pillsbury coming to you from Marinemax here in Seabrook. Thank you for joining us. Have a great day.